to be here it was great, because we discovered that a lot of problems that we have are common problems, and the possibility to compare, to exchange experiences, to exchange best practices is something that is very useful. We are not alone, and this is a place where we can demonstrate that.
Being able to see where we are right now is of incredible value. See where we are looking at and what our successes are happening is great. Plus the ability to discuss and going deeper with these live touch points, but also with the online question is just amazing.
Well, it was a nice event, really nice. It was a pleasure to be here, meet a lot of leads and people that are already in further steps in the Industrial 4.0, smart manufacturing, benchmark the initiatives, listen from their experience. It was a great experience, making network.